Hey, what's up everybody? This is Mobile WizTech and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and setup using Smart Switch for the Galaxy Watch 5. Now I'll be talking more about it right after this. Now, before I get started, if you find that my content is interesting or helpful, please do me a solid favor by mashing that thumbs up button. Also, if you want to continuously receive content like this, please consider subscribing to my channel by mashing that subscribe and the notification bell button. That way we can always stay informed whenever I post new content on my channel. All right, let's jump into some quick highlighted specs. I don't want to bore you with all of the specs, but just some of the main ones that stand out. All right, again, this is the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. It's only one size, which is the 46mm one. All right, it comes in two different colors. This one is the black titanium, and you can also get it in gray titanium. It weighs 46.5 grams. Now it has 1.5 gigabytes of RAM and 16 gigabytes of ROM. And of course, you have all of the sensors from last year's Galaxy Watch 4, but it also has the ability to measure your skin temperature or your body temperature, but I believe it's through your skin. Now the battery size for the Watch 5 Pro is 590 milliamps versus last year's on the Galaxy Watch 4, which was 361 for the 46mm size. So you get a nice decent bump for the battery size on the Watch 5 Pro. And as far as the screen is concerned, it's made of a sapphire crystal material, so it's supposed to be very, very durable. All right. Now with that stated, let's go ahead and get this bad boy open. All right, slice down here. All right, do the same over here. All right. All right, let's look what's in here first. All right, of course you have that. Open it from this side. Here you go. Wireless charger. Of course, there's no plug. And then that's Type C. All right. Last but not least, the Watch 5 Pro. All right. In the new band, which I'm looking forward to test out. All right. Slide this off. Or peel it off. There we go. All right, pretty cool looking. So let's get all this cleaned up and let's get right into this watch. All right, so let's go ahead and turn this bad boy on. Press the top button. Here we go. And at the same time, what I'm going to go ahead and do, yes, this is going to be my first time doing it, but again, try to get Smart Switch to load the data that's on my Watch 4 onto the Watch 5. All right. So once this loads and goes through the process, when I get to that point, again, this will be my first time doing it. All right, so let's get along with it. So we're going to slide up, of course. And of course, it wants me to go to the wearable app. So I'm going to go ahead and pull that up. Let's see here. Tap over here. And add new device. All right. course, this is the new one down here. Tap that. Now I'm interested to see, when does the smart switch part kick in? Is that something that I would need to initiate, or does it do it automatically? Let's find out. Yep, both numbers match. So I'm going to go ahead and hit confirm. All right, the magic begins. All right, so of course you have this information here. You can choose to send or not choose. And I'm going to agree for automatic updates. Tap continue. And you have all these terms and services that you would need to look at. If you're okay with this, I'm not with this middle one, but if you want to, you can send your usage and diagnostics reports. And after that, go ahead and tap agree, and then let this continue to install. Now, when you get to this screen, if you had a Watch 4 and you're using the same account, this should pop up. If not, or if you don't want to use that account that you did on the Watch 4, you can always choose another account. All right. Okay, here you go. It wants me to verify. There we have it. That's loading. All right, you can go ahead and choose continue or go through this if you want to. I'm going to continue. Hit next. Okay. Here's Smart Switch. This is beautiful because the way it was before, it was all right, but most of the time I had to load things. It didn't always restore properly. This is a beautiful addition that it added Smart Switch. All right, so pretty excited about this. Let's go ahead and tap update. That is a beautiful addition. Time saver, and you know your data is going to be nice and safe. And you can see the watch doing this thing. Funny enough, I'm going to have to do this again when my Fold 4 comes in, because I'm doing this on the Fold 3 right now. So when the Fold 4 comes, I'm going to have to use Smart Switch again. So I don't feel bad loading this up here. I don't feel like I'm going to need a lot of time to get this updated, because Smart Switch is going to do most of the bulk heavy lifting for me. So pretty cool. All right, let's go back to the phone. I can see my battery's pretty low too. So I need to be pretty quick here. All right, so now it's going through the process. Shouldn't be too long. Go ahead and pause it for right now. All right, I have all of my check marks. That means the Watch 5 Pro is ready to go. Let's go ahead and tap that next. And let's finish up things here. Again, I'm going to pause it. And here we have it. All ready to go. Come over here. Now this is loading. Let's go ahead and pause it again. And now it looks like it's complete. But as you can see here, of course, there is no physical rotating bezel. All right, looks like it's all done. But as you can see, no physical rotating bezel like it is on the Watch 4. All right, let's get to this. Of course, I want to allow that. That's fine. We didn't find automatically your location. All right. I wonder why that happened there, but I'm going to type my city in here and get that going. Okay. This will pop up. It's just a quick demo on how to use it or how to navigate. It tells you to swipe up here, sir. So I'm gonna swipe up. Okay. And then I have my keyboard, and I'm sure it's going to be some more pop-ups, but let me type this in. All right. I already typed in my city. Don't miss a thing. Again, no physical rotating bezel. Instead, you would just rotate in this manner. All right, but as you can see, it loaded the same watch face that's on the Watch 4. All right, so pretty nice. I'd have to go and grab this again and grab some of my other apps. Smart Switch, say that 5 times fast. Smart Switch. Well, I guess not too bad, but Smart Switch did the heavy lifting for me, and pretty excited about that. And yeah, this is it. Let's do a quick comparison. All right, let's take a look. Turn it on. So with the bezel, it makes, let's get a little closer here. It makes it look, now with the bezel, it makes the Watch 4 to me seem a bit larger or wider, should I say. All right, but all in all, it looks pretty close. The Watch 5 has this deeper look here because of the way it's set up versus the Watch 4. All right, but the Watch 5, as you can see, it has that deep look to it. And even on the Watch 4 you have it, but it looks a little deeper here. All right, but all in all, thickness, let's take a look at that. Pretty close. They look different, as you can see from the sides. All right. All in all, pretty cool. So you'll use your nail to pop that section open. You can see me do it again. All right, and slide it. All right, there you have it. Then get a better focus there. You're going to slide it through this hole or the slot, just like that. All right, that's probably enough for me, so I can at least get it in there. And then this flap, I'm going to push it down. That locks it in place. Then slide your hand in there. My big hand. All right, here we go. Then last piece is to just do it that way, and that's it. Nice and simple. Now, when I want to wear this next time, I just do this, take it off, right? Probably gonna adjust it a little bit larger just so I can get my hand on there easier. All right, put it down. You're going on the inside, right? Just lift that flap up, just like that. And then you'll slide the band out. And then you can close it. And then lay it down for charging. All right. You have the same look and feel as the previous one. All right. So I'm not going to bore you with all of those different details, but let's go ahead and take a look over here. Of course, again, you have the body composition, stress monitor. All right, you have this and your different activities. If I swipe up, you have the Play Store and all your different apps. Pretty cool. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Quick unboxing, quick setup, and also showing you how Smart Switch can work when you're transferring your data from the Watch 4 to the Watch 5 Pro. All right. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please again give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you're interested in the Watch 5, of course, I'll have a link posted in the description section of this video. And this completes my unboxing and setup of the Watch 5 Pro. I thank you for watching this video, and if you liked it, please show your support by giving it a thumbs up and subscribing. Also, share it out and comment below. Until next time, keep it mobile.